In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create chat interactions with Prototype on Figma. We'll start right from the source. Open the Figma website in your browser so you're working with the latest interface. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation and click on Community. The community is where designers share ready-made files and templates you can use as a starting point, which saves a ton of setup time for interactive projects like chat UIs. In the community search bar, type Chat Integration and press Enter. You'll see a variety of resources, templates, UI kits, and example files. For our purposes, choose a template that specifically mentions chat or messaging and shows an example of screens already linked together. Click the template card to open its details page, then click Run to launch the prototype. This opens present mode so you can experience the chat interaction as if you were the end user. Try clicking through the interface, tapping on message bubbles, and observing how the conversation flows from one screen to the next. Notice any animations or transitions between frames. These are powered by Figma's prototype features. Now, let's customize it to fit your context. Inside the file, you can edit text layers to reflect real conversation copy, update names in the message bubbles, and adjust timestamps to make the flow feel authentic. Swap avatars by selecting the image layers and replacing them with your own images. If the layout feels tight, check the right-hand panel for auto layout settings and tweak spacing, padding, and alignment so longer messages wrap neatly. For the interactive logic, select a message bubble or a button and switch to the Prototype tab. You'll see connection lines that point to the next frame in the flow. Adjust the interaction trigger, such as on-click, and experiment with transitions like instant, dissolve, or smart animate. You can add a tiny delay or ease to mimic typing pauses and create a more lifelike chat cadence. If the conversation moves vertically, make sure the frame's scrolling is set to vertical and consider enabling preserve scroll position between frames to keep the experience smooth. When previewing again with Run, choose a mobile device preset in the presentation settings to simulate a phone and set a background color that matches your brand. If you're sharing the experience, generate a prototype link and use comments for quick feedback on copy or pacing. And that's it. You opened Figma, found a chat template in Community, ran the prototype, customized the visuals and text, and explored the prototype settings to refine the conversation flow.